Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can place down a door in Icarus. To place down a door, first, you have to unlock the tech tree of any structure that has a door. Now for example, over here on the tech tree, on the tier 1, if you're just about starting out, I would recommend getting the thatch building based set. By learning this tech tree, this will unlock the thatch beam, the wall angled, the thatch floor, and more importantly, the thatch wall and the thatch door. Because to place down a door, you have to have a wall first. So let me just craft those now. Okay, now let me just place down a floor first. And then place down the wall. Now just choose a direction that you want. For example, right now it's facing my right side. You can just rotate this if you want. If you want the variation of the wall that can have a door, hold down R on your keyboard and go over to door frame right here. And then you release your finger on the R, and this should be on the door frame right now, and place it down. And then you can place down your thatched door. And let me just press F. And as you can see, it's now pretty much a functioning door. And that's about it on how to place down a door in Icarus.